In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download an app on your iPhone. To download an app on your iPhone, make sure you are connected to the Wi-Fi or the mobile data connection is turned on. Once you have active internet connection, just open the App Store. App Store is a market from where you can download the several apps available. So here you can just tap on the search icon and search for the app which you want to download. Suppose if I want to download a YouTube app, I will type YouTube in the search box and tap on the search button. This will display the results for the query. So you can just tap on the result which is appropriate to your search, and then it will display the app page, and then just tap on the get button to download the app. So you need to just double click on the side button which is a power button on your iPhone to confirm the install, and this will detect the Face ID. If you have enabled the Face ID, it will detect your Face ID and the download process will start. This could take several minutes depending upon the app file size. The estimated time to install the app will be displayed over here. The app is installing. It's now been installed successfully. Once the app is installed, you will get an open button over here. You can just tap on the open button to launch the app, or else go to the home screen. Here you will see the icon of the app which you have installed. Just tap on it to launch the application. So this is how you can easily install an app on your iPhone.